Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Archie, your host, and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video, I'm going to give you some important updated news about WWE SmackDown. Not only that, the status of Daniel O'Brien, also why Eva Marie is returning, and about the championship opportunity for Dave Batista. Okay, so let's begin. So the first news that I'm going to start with is about Eva Marie. So recently we have seen on last Raw that there is a teaser where Eva Marie is being posing and she is been bringing her return. So after a long time we are seeing Eva Marie in WWE. She used to be a female WWE wrestler. She was also in Total Divas, but after that she didn't appear. But right now she is returning, and every internet is just bursting that why Eva Marie is returning, because WWE has left some of the female superstars like Chelsea Green, like Mickie James, and they are bringing back Eva Marie, who is not even as half talented as they are. So why they are bringing back? So there is a big question. The reason behind this is very much simple: because of glamour. See, we have seen for the past over the years that along with talent, WWE also prefers glamour. So the reason why Lana is in WWE, that's the reason is glamour. So the reason they are not giving as much opportunity to Mandy Rose, but still she is in, she's a very good wrestler, but still she is in WWE because of glamour. So the reason Eva Marie is coming back because of glamour. We all know that WWE always think of about the business perspective. So even though Mickie James or Chelsea Green is a very good wrestler, but they have not been used up to their potential, and they doesn't possess the glamour or the fan following that Eva Marie contains. So this is the reason why Mickie James, Chelsea Green has been out, and in replace of them, WWE signing Eva Marie to get a new contract on WWE Raw. Now let's see what happens, when she will return, whom she will attack. That's the big question. Okay, now the next news is about Dave Batista getting the WWE Championship opportunity. Yes, guys, this is very much right. So recently, Bobby Lashley has posted something really interesting. He has posted a picture with Dave Batista, and he has made a caption that it's good to see your old friend back. And he has also claimed that if Dave Batista wants a championship match, he is allowed to give that. So it means that Dave Batista is gonna get a championship opportunity whenever he wants, when he will return. But it's just a post, it's just a caption, it's not about a serious matter. We all know that Dave Batista is not going to return right now. He's very busy with his film career. So it's just a caption made by Bobby Lashley. So it's just a friendly caption, and I think it's really good, it's really funny. So this is the thing that's been going on around Dave Batista getting a WWE Championship opportunity. Nothing serious about that. Okay, now the next news is about Daniel Bryan being removed from WWE. So we all know that when we open WWE app or WWE website, we all get to see the list of superstars who are performing in WWE, whether in NXT, Raw or SmackDown, or even in a cruiserweight division. So the thing is that we have seen the list of superstar, and earlier we used to see the name of Daniel O'Brien, but right now it's not there. If you go to the WWE website or app, you will not find Daniel O'Brien in that list. That means that he's been removed from that alumni of WWE superstar, which means that this is a serious kind of a issue. Maybe there is an end of contract between WWE. So this is the final status of Daniel O'Brien that's been going on in WWE right now. So there is no proof of WWE's name in any of the website or in any corner. Okay, now moving to the last news, that is about the old retro SmackDown that will be back for this week's SmackDown. So we all know that this week's SmackDown will be an old retro one. So WWE is planning for a vintage SmackDown. The set will be the vintage one, the stage settings, the entrance, everything will be a vintage one. So so for that, to celebrate that, WWE has designed some of interesting retro posters containing Roman Reigns, Seth Rollins, Bianca Belair, Sasha Banks, Bailey. So the posters, as you can see on the screen, looks really interesting. So WWE is to be planning something big this week for SmackDown, because whenever we see that the retro Raw or retro SmackDown is back, they do some very good stuff. So let's see what happens in this week's SmackDown. Personally, I'm really excited. So these are the news that I wanted to share with you. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.